Hey everyone, so doing another video here because a lot of people have been asking about these Google rejections that keep coming through. Very, very frustrating for everyone involved, even myself. As you know, we've got an app building platform and we've got, thousands of apps published already via Google. And even in my own account, we've got 60 or 70 apps that we published. And, the same app for a different company was one would be approved and one would be rejected with no rhyme, looks like no rhyme or reason. Anyways, I'm going to show you what I do to address these rejections. The first thing I will do is create an updated AAV file and submit an update, and I'm going to do that now. So I'll start with the update first by going to production and creating a new release. And I've already done the AAV file generation in our platform, and I'm going to upload the file now. This will take a few seconds, so I'll push pause. Okay, so uploaded the file here. I'm gonna have to copy some information from the notes here. I'll copy that, and I will save my information there. Okay, so now I have to go down to the app content. This is where all the trouble seems to be. You guys will have different things showing here. Some of you will already completed certain things, but I'm going to show you what I do from start to finish. So I'm going to start. There is no advertising in the apps at all. So I'll save that. Come back to the app content. And from here, you've got to manage the privacy policy, make sure that's there. As we've just done that, app access we provided. But the main issues are the data safety policy. Okay, so we've got to do this. I'll start from the beginning. Go skip all this stuff. Start. Hit the next button at the bottom here. Let me just move this a little bit down. Does your app collect or share any required data user types? You'll click yes, yes, and yes to all of these answers. Next. We have the precise location, so we select that. Personal info, we are able to grab this stuff. You may want to put phone number in there as well, because you may or may not. The more you have here, it doesn't stop you from getting the app approved if you collect this stuff. It just, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't with the phone number. Financial info, nothing. Health info, health fitness, nothing. Messages, nothing. Photos and videos, we do have the ability to capture photos from the apps. Audio files, no. Files and doc, nothing. Calendar, no. Contacts, yes. Check that off. App activity, yes. App interactions, we do that. Web browsing, no. App performance info, yes. Crash logs and diagnostics to get yes for both those. Device or other IDs, also yes. Check that off. Then hit the next button, and we now need to go and fill out all of these questionnaires. So for personal info, hit the start button. It's collected. No for this answer. Users can choose. It's the name that we're collecting, so it's for app functionality, personalization, account management. That's for the name. Email address, same thing. It's collected. We click no for this answer. Users can choose. It's app functionality, account management, and personalization, and emails we can use for advertising marketing. Check that off. The next one is our phone number. It's collected. No for that answer. Users can choose, and it's just for personalization and sometimes advertising marketing. So those three are completed. Go on to the next one. Location, precise location. Hit start. So it's collected, and the location is processed empirically. So yes for this one. Users can choose, and it's for advertising marketing to provide geo-fenced targeted push notifications. And that is it for that. So keep moving on. Photos and videos, start that. It's collected. Now back to no for the answer for this question. Users can choose. It's app functionality, I guess, would be a good answer there. And let's just say account management. Okay, that's complete. Move to the next category. Contacts, it's collected. No, users can choose. App functionality, account management, and advertising. For this one, the next one is crash logs. We collect that for analytics. No, for that answer, you can choose, and it's just analytics here for the crash logs. Next one is diagnostics, same deal, it's just for the analytics. No for the answer there, a user can choose, and just analytics. Save, that's completed. App activity, interactions, again, this is for analytics. No for the that question, users can choose, and it's analytics. And the last one, same deal, it's analytics. So collected, no, users can choose, and analytics. So save that. All of these things now, you got to make sure that everything is completed, one of one. All of these things are completed, looks good. I will hit the next button and then submit. So now I've done two things. I've updated the app and I've submitted, right? I've added a new AAV file, but it's not complete at this stage. You've got to go back to production, go back to edit release over here, and then review your release. So I'm going to review the release. There's a warning, you can skip that and start roll out to production. So now roll this out to production. I'm going to go back to the main page where the apps are, and this is now showing in review. Sometimes what will happen is this will say ready to submit for review. So you've got to come here and make sure you click on that, go to the app. When you click on it, you'll see a button around here in the screen that you've got to submit the app for review. So just be careful of that. Sometimes it goes directly into review, and sometimes it goes into a draft mode where it sits ready for you to submit it for review. And that's it. And that hopefully will correct your problems with Google issues. Thanks for watching.